Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 2nd of your English reader book, The Story of Oak and Lime Tree. This is the story of an old couple and two Greek gods. The two Greek gods once reached or came to the earth in the change appearance because they wanted to test the kindness and hospitality of the people on the earth. They came on the earth in change appearance because they did not want it that no anyone can recognize that they are the real god. So they reached near to a small hut. When they knocked at the door, an old couple opened the door. When he saw that the two Greek gods or two peoples, he asked about them. The two Greek gods said that they are coming from a long way and they wanted to rest and they wanted to stay there for the night. So that old man welcomed them very nicely. He opened the door and let them enter in the hut. As his wife and the old couple saw that man, they said that they were very fortunate to have such people, to have such men, that they are going to help in any way. So the one of the Greek gods said that they are coming from long way and they are very hungry, so they want some meal. So the old man said to his wife that they should arrange some meal for them. So the old man went to the garden to get some vegetable so that they can cook that vegetable and served as a meal to the Greek gods. As he came back from the garden, his wife cooked the food and served them that meal, and they also served milk. They poured the milk in their glasses. The Jews drank all the milk quickly and he wanted some more, but the old man was very sad, was very sorry, because he thought that the jug is empty and there is not a few milk in the jug, but still he was hoping that he should see that that there should be a few milk in that jug. But as he saw that jug, he was very surprised. He called his wife and show her that the jug was full of the milk. So they knew that that people are not ordinary person, they are a heavenly, so they should also have to serve some more meal to the Greek gods. So they have only one thing, that was an old cock. They wanted to kill it and cook and to serve as a meal to the men. But as they started to catch that cock, he ran or in the ground. He ran here and there and hid himself behind the Greek god. The Greek god said that they are very happy and they do not want the meal more. They are taken the enough food. Now they want to give some wish to them. So they said that they can ask any wish to them. So the old couple talked to each other for the some time, and after some time they said to the Greek gods that they are very happy with each other, they have never fight to each other and they love each other after the marriage, and they do not want to separate it, so they want to live together forever. So the Greek god said to them that their wish will be fulfilled soon. So after saying this, the Greek gods left from there. So in this way many years passed. So once again the Zeus came back to the earth to see the situation of the old couple. As he saw that old couple are growing old and they have been very weak, so he thought that he should change them into a tree so that they can stand side by side forever and they can live together. So they he changed them into a oak and lime tree, and from that day they are standing in a conversion of tree to stand side by side. Their branches are touching to each other, they are enjoying, they are spring in the light breeze, and from that day they are living a very happy life. So in this way the story has been completed. So what should we learn from the story? We should learn that we should always welcome our guest, we should always respect our guest every time, from because if we respect our guest, he will be always blessed us, he will always bless us, and we will always get success in our life, we will always be happy in our life.